Hello everybody, my name is Ben Kaplin, and I would like to share three of my favorite new apps that I have found with you guys. So the first one is called Symbaloo, and it is probably meant in the educational sphere, probably meant for more middle school, just to learn, maybe even elementary school, to learn how to navigate the web safely. So whoever sets up the Symbaloo app can search for whatever they want on the web. For example, Seesaw. You can see that I already have Seesaw. They can add it to their Symbaloo page, and that allows the students. You can just link the Symbaloo page for your students or make it their home page, and it'll allow students to go to whatever the link is. So in this case, I clicked on Seesaw. I don't know. There's Seesaw. So it's just a really cool tool for that. I feel like this is also probably could be utilized in just about any course, more as a way to condense information and only give students one place sort of to find it. I think that is what it should be utilized for. Next, I would like to show you guys GeoGuessr. Now, GeoGuessr, I have already signed in, but GeoGuessr will take you to a street view, and you are supposed to figure out where you are in the world or through famous places. There's multiple maps. There's the UK, United Kingdom, but via Google Maps. So Google Maps Street View, actually. There are other kind of cool features, like you can create your own maps. You can, somewhere on here, you can place the marker. There's daily challenges. You can challenge other people. So it's sort of a gamification, if you will. You can also place the marker. I don't remember where I saw it, but you can place the marker at a certain part of the map, and it'll start there for somebody else. So I just want to give a brief demo of this. Just play world, yeah, sure. Single player. You can also challenge, as I said. So as you can see, we are, somewhere, I would say, in, well, Para. Anyway, you guys get the feature, or the specifics. So let's just go, I'd say, somewhere tropical. Let's go down here in, like, Honduras somewhere, maybe. And that's my guess. You press guess, and it'll show you how far away. So we were actually by Sao Paulo, Brazil. So that is GeoGuessr. And lastly is a feature or an app called Vocaroo. And Vocaroo is a really cool. The other two I logged into. This one requires no information or anything from you. It is a free service. I should have mentioned both of these are actually, both of the prior ones there are free versions and pay for versions. This doesn't even require you to pay for it with your information. It is a voice recorder, so you can record. All you have to do is press this button, allow. All you have to do is press that button, record, blah, blah, blah. When you are done, you press stop. You can save it. You can re-listen to it. And if you save and share, it will also allow you to send the vocal recording to whoever. I did not mention, I thought that the last... that GeoGuessr was probably more for elementary or middle school. I think it's fun for everybody and would be a fun activity to utilize, but it's more for learning about geography. It's more for learning about maps and how to read maps. There is a, I don't know if you saw, but there was a feature in the bottom that had a compass, so you could do north versus south, you could do topography, etc. This Vocaroo, I think, is great. It is a program that gets around the entire, the people that are destitute as far as technology are concerned, because you don't really need a technological presence to use it. You just log on and do your thing, you know? But these are three apps that I thought were great. And Vocaroo, lastly, I think could be used by anybody that needs a voice recorder. It's very simple. It's easy to use. You don't really have to explain much. There's all of 3 or 4 buttons. So just in review, I went over Symbaloo, GeoGuessr, and Vocaroo. And these are 3 apps that I plan on using in the field of teaching. Thank you very much.